Markets are dropping today, but it might be over. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions and wanted to share my opinion with you guys. So QQQ is a NASDAQ ETF. It's a 1-for-1 ETF. And as we can see, the NASDAQ market has been consistently selling off up until this point. If we look at it on the day chart, we can see that we are now testing the EMA line on the day chart. Now, if we break below this, be ready for some selling pressure to go back down to 415. But as long as we're still holding above this general EMA on the day chart, then again, overall market is still incredibly bullish. And you know me, right? You know that I love when the markets pull on back. But this is why I love to remind whoever it is that's ahead, right? If you're going long on SQQQ or if you're shorting the market, that it's never the worst idea to potentially take profits when there's signs of a potential support and we don't really have full-on confirmation of the market actively selling off. Remember, one day does not define a market reversal. Yes, it is a very bloody day. I mean, it's one of the biggest drops that we've seen in some time. Let's not sugarcoat it. But again, market's very, very bullish overall big picture. So I just want to make sure that you don't make the same mistake that AMC and GME bag holders made in not taking profits. So know when to reduce your position size and know when to take profits. With that being said, again, why is the market so aggressively selling off today? The PCE report, we talked about it yesterday. I tried to make you guys aware. PCE report came out today, but it came in as expected, 2.8%. So honestly, it's not the worst idea, right? So for those that are unaware of what PCE is, PCE report pretty much just tracks what the average American household is spending. Is the spending going up or is the spending going down? With that being said, it's one of the Federal Reserve's favorite way to be able to track inflation. And if they see that spending is not going down, then they can't really justify boosting or cutting interest rates anytime soon. So again, spending is not necessarily not just not going down, but it's staying the same and or based off of previous PCE reports actually going up. And I think that's why the market is reacting the way that it is that inflation is still super sticky and is not necessarily going away. So I really like the retracement that we experienced today because again, it was long overdue, right? After gapping up nonstop, higher highs, higher lows, we became very overbought. And this is why I always make the videos that I do of at these all-time highs. I love to make our beginner traders aware of overbought levels, not because anyone can predict the future, because that would be a lie. No one can, but always, anytime something is at all-time highs, you should always be asking the question, okay, is enough enough? Should I take profits here? Should I reduce my position size in preparation of a pullback? If you do not ask yourself those questions, then you are simply just hoping for higher highs nonstop. It just really doesn't make sense. Markets always pull on back. Markets always end up correcting itself. And that's why always when it reaches all-time highs or previous all-time highs, you should really just take into consideration of, okay, what is my next plan of action if we get rejected here? And I'm so glad that we made numerous videos making our beginners aware in preparation for this pullback. Now that this pullback happened, hopefully you as QQQ traders do your part in actually taking profits and not making the same mistake AMC and GME traders are making. Again, I work with my beginner LPP team every single morning right at market open. And if you ever want to tune on in, you get to watch me trade live every single day, Monday through Friday. And if you want to tune on in as soon as Monday, you can sign up today by the second link in the description down below. And if you have any questions before signing up, let me know down in the comment sections. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, which is also linked in the description down below. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.